Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and today I was going to show you my new reverse osmosis system by WAPU. So one of the things that drew my attention to this system was the screen on the faucet. So here it will tell you when it is expired, when it's going to be expiring soon. And I'm the kind of person that really likes visual reminders like this. And it is just a very beautiful, sleek looking faucet. So here it gives you the option to use water to drink. This is going to be perfect to clean your water from chlorine, pesticides, lead, other things that you just really don't want to be drinking. So a lot of people are concerned about it demineralizing their water. Well, fortunately, water isn't really one of our main sources of minerals anyways. You get that from most of your food. So you have the option to use the filtered water without any power, and this is going to be great for watering plants, cleaning, things like that. Let me show you what the system itself looks like. Because it's tankless, it takes up barely any space, and both filters can be ordered online and replaced really easily. Now for installing the system itself, you do have to tap into your water line, so I would ask for help if you're not comfortable with doing that yourself. So if you are buying bottled water all the time, I highly recommend you get a reverse osmosis machine, but that's my point of view.